interesting. It's beautiful out here. Those clouds look a little scary. But look over here.
Got some fresh fruits. I love that there's a plant just between us. Nothing will ever come between us except for plants. Avocado toasty toast with eggs. And you got some eggs benedict over there. Oh, you got the money shot there.
It's so good.
Yeah. We kind of got off avocado for a while because they turn brown and you eat them and then they're garbage. And I think this trip might rekindle my love of avocado.
Yeah.
We'll see. Maybe Canadian avocados just suck. They'll come from Mexico though. They just sent us the bad ones.
What up there, internet peoples?
Medieval Gothic castle.
You can see it a little bit.
Yeah. Cool. Walking down to the station and
Yeah. It's a lot going up and down a hill.
we're gonna have a lot of adventures today though. So there'll be more interesting things than us just whinging about walking up a hill.
Yeah. I guess it's not a mountain, but it feels like it.
Yeah.
Steep incline. Did we mention?
Cool little bamboo jungle.
Yeah. It's pretty neat. Little bamboo. Oh, there's like some benches and some swings. And a wooden staircase down into it. Wonder what that's about.
An interesting station configuration, eh? We're like on the tracks. We have made it to San Javier station, and there's some cable cars going on over there. You see them? That's not where we're going right now. We are going somewhere else on a walking trip to our left. It's gonna be fun. Hopefully not too many steps, but definitely lots of steps. We'll see. There's little fluffy boys. Oh my goodness. The fluffiest of boys. Goodbye, boys.
Made it to our first little touristy stop. I guess you already said that to the camera, eh?
I don't know. I don't remember. Sorry.
Well, here we are.
Yeah.
And I'm managing to film something. We're getting super lost.
It's tricky when you really need Google. It always seems to stop working exactly when you need it the most.
Map.me charges now, so we're reluctant to ever use it again.
So if you get a walking tour of this area, you'll learn a lot more, but here's my very, very basic understanding. Back in the 80s and 90s, Comuna 13 in Medellin was one of the most dangerous places on earth. Comuna 13 was the most dangerous place in Medellin and the breeding ground of crime. The area was built up very haphazardly with buildings on top of buildings in a maze-like manner, which made it super easy for criminals to hide from police. Even though the majority of the residents here were not part of organized crime, they had to live with it. It became unsafe for police to even pursue criminals in this area. In 2002, the mayor and government sent in the military to clean out the area in a raid. Many people were killed and arrested, and locals were caught in the middle. What followed was a huge investment in the infrastructure of Comuna 13 to serve as a sort of payback to the locals for years of brutality. The community seems super vibrant today and relatively safe.
Another steep climb. At least we got to practice yesterday, right?
Doesn't seem as bad as the walk up to our
Yeah.
Like I said, it's pretty vertical.
Yeah. Got some big ass ants. Not really. crammed in here, eh?
Yeah.
I just used the bathroom. The lady behind me, 1,000 pesos. It was like literally just her tiny little house. Not even. Itty bitty. Yeah. Interesting experience.
Yeah.
And added to my pooping around the world stories.
You found that escalator.
Yeah, one of many. I have to walk a lot of stairs to get to these though.
It's strange that this is a tourist attraction. Oh well.
Look at the colorful stairs, eh? Pretty cool. The colorful cafes and stuff.
Yeah.
Beautiful view. We're seeing a lot of pretty views because I have to stop every 2 seconds. And in the interest of being honest, I am feeling incredibly unwell and I don't know if we're gonna make it back. It's been really rough. Such incredible street art though. I wish I could enjoy it more. There's a hummingbird down there.
Rabbit in the wall. So do we just keep climbing, or what's the plan?
I think so. It might be the last one though.
Guess we're about to find out. There's no way down on this one.
No, you gotta take the real stairs.
Yeah. It is, like, each installment is a relatively small, like,
Yeah.
flight.
Oh no, there's still more.
Okay. Interesting. There's a view.
Yeah. I feel like that's
That's about right there.
so we don't have to wander out tonight if we don't want to. Mostly water. Some bananas to go with the bananas we already have at home, so I don't feel lonely. Yeah, almost to the metro stop, then 2 trains, and 1 bus before we're back at our place. It'll be okay.
We can do it.
Yeah, I've got potassium to do it.
I'm just freeing up this hand that's holding this GoPro. It's holding a lot of stuff. You always got to pass her Metro card to me. Share one card.
There it is.
Fun stuff.
There we go. So from the metro stop, we just jumped on bus number 1133IIA, I think, or something like that, some random. And hopefully this takes us up the hill without us having to use our legs. But what's the worst that could happen? We come back down here and try again? Yeah. I think we're doing it. I think we're doing it. So many puppies. So many puppies.